So here's our code base. If we go into SRC, we see two main files. We have decentralized stablecoin.sol. And if we look into here, it's a real minimalistic, very basic-ish ERC20. We've got some more interesting, more advanced imports, such as ERC20 burnable and ownable. But here, it looks real similar to an ERC20, right? We've got a constructor with ERC20. We have a burn function where we can actually burn tokens, remove tokens, and we have a mint function where we can mint and print new tokens. But the main contract is this DSC engine.sol. So this decentralized stablecoin is controlled by this DSC engine. And this has a ton of stuff in here. Some of the main functionality in here is going to be where we deposit collateral and mint DSC. So this stablecoin is going to work because it's going to be backed by collaterals that have monetary value. We'll talk about more about that in a minute. You can redeem your collateral, remove your collateral. Look at all this NAT spec, by the way. Look at all these comments. We can burn DSC. We can burn our decentralized stablecoin. People can get liquidated. What the heck is liquidation? We'll talk about that later. They can mint DSC if they have enough collateral, and we'll talk about collateral soon, deposit collateral, redeem collateral, etc. But there's a whole bunch of collateral stuff, and we'll explain that in a little bit. We have this test folder where we have our unit tests, where we go over engine, where we test the engine, the stablecoin, and also this Oracle lib thing. We have mocks, which we know what mocks are, and then we have this thing that we kind of briefly went over, which is fuzz tests. And we have this invariant thing that, what is this invariant thing? And we have this new type of invariant underscore tests, which we're going to go over and we're going to explain. These invariant tests, in my mind, separate mediocre Solidity developers from incredibly powerful, incredibly advanced Solidity developers. We've got our scripts as well, real minimal here. We mainly just deploy the stablecoin. We're going to be using Chainlink price feeds to measure the price of the underlying collateral. Again, we'll talk about that soon. But this is really the high level walkthrough. And you can find all the code and all the information you need on this repo. Like I said, this is going to be an advanced section. Take your time with it. Be sure to ask questions. Use all the tools you have at your disposal to code along and understand what we're doing. But the other reason why I wanted to make a stablecoin here is because I strongly believe stablecoins are going to be one of the most important DeFi primitives or DeFi products that Web3 has to offer. And in my opinion, right now, the current solutions aren't good enough. So hopefully this inspires some of you to go out and build a better one. But let's go ahead. Let's go into this video. Let's learn about stablecoins and take your time learning this. All right, let's watch this video.